Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make dragon beard candy with a fun gummy bear twist. This easy guide will help you create a unique, colorful confection that's sure to impress. We'll infuse classic pulled sugar with the playful taste and vibrant hues of your favorite gummy bears, making a truly delightful treat. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a magical, edible creation. First, let's prepare our sweet base. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, and 1 cup of water. Now for the gummy bear magic. Melt about 100 gummy bears and stir them into this mixture. Heat everything gently without stirring until it reaches precisely 270 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This temperature is crucial for achieving the right texture. Once your gummy-infused sugar has cooled enough to handle, it's time for the fun part, pulling. Generously dust a clean surface and your hands with cornstarch to prevent sticking. Now, gently stretch and fold the candy ring, doubling the strands each time. Continue this process, dipping in cornstarch as needed, until you achieve thousands of delicate, hair-like threads. This takes about 12 to 16 folds. Finally, let's fill and enjoy your homemade dragon beard candy. Prepare your desired fillings. Traditional options include crushed roasted peanuts or sesame seeds, but you could even use tiny gummy bear pieces. Take a small amount of the delicate candy strands, place a spoonful of filling in the center, and gently fold the strands to enclose it. Serve these delightful, fresh treats immediately for the best experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.